It's time to hook up this King sander to the grid automation dust collection system. With this trigger right here and this arm right here, which goes up on this blast gate. To start, I'll go open up the grid automation app, and then I'll come down here and select devices. I'll come up here and select gate, and you'll see that a lot of the gates have already been named, but I need to find which of these gates that have these random numbers is the gate up top that's associated with this machine. So I'm gonna push this find button right here, and you can see now that it's blinking up there. So this one right now is the one associated with that one. If I push that button, it'll go green. I push that one, it'll go red. So now I'm gonna come and name that one. So right up here, I'll push there. Then I can come down and type King sander. And then I need to calibrate it. So I'm gonna push calibrate. And now this is the gate that I'm working on right here. So the first thing that I wanna do is come down here and put move to center. And that center is this little gear right here. Then I'm gonna take the blast gate, which moves back and forth, and I'm gonna more or less put it in the center. Then I'm gonna take this nut off the top right here. And I'm gonna take these off. I'm gonna take this arm and put that arm and try find a spot on the gear where this will slide in, but kind of be in the center. Then I can screw this piece in, and then I can put this one back on top. Then I can put this nut back on top here, and I'll tighten it down. Now right here, you can see the open button and the close button. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna push the open button, and that'll open it up. And then we have to push the more open or the less open to calibrate where we want it. So you just keep on pushing the more open button until it gets to the spot where you want it. And then we're gonna push the close button, and then we're gonna keep on pushing the close button to adjust it until it's in the fully closed position. And then you keep on going until it bottoms out, and then you pull it back a little bit so that the motor isn't always trying to close it against something. And then from there, you're done. You've set the open and close. So if we actually go back and we can test it again, I'll push calibrate again. And now that's open, and that's close. Open, close. So now the gate is working perfectly, and now we have to hook it up to the machine. So now the way that the system knows how to talk to this machine is through this trigger right here. Now there's already one trigger here set up that runs the bandsaw, and this is the cord that runs the sander. So I'm gonna unplug it, then I'm gonna plug this one in, and you'll see that it'll go onto green right now. Then I'm gonna plug the cord from the machine into the bottom of this. So now this one will show up on my app. I have to find it and then pair it to the gate. I'm gonna go to devices, and I'm gonna go to triggers right here. Again, you'll see a bunch of the triggers are already named. There's one right here that doesn't have a name. You'll see that they're all green right now, but if I push that button, then that should go red. So I'll come here and push that button, and then you can see that that turned red. So we know that this is that trigger. So same thing, I'm gonna come here to this trigger. I'm gonna come up to the top, and I'll again name it, King sander. And then what we wanna do is we wanna come over here to this list. These are all the gates, and I only want it to open when the King sander opens. So I'm gonna come over here and push King sander, and now the two machines are paired. And what that means is when I turn this machine on, it'll send a signal to the grit hub, which will tell that blast gate to open and turn the dust collector on. So I'm gonna turn it all on and see if I did it right. If that goes green, then we're good. If it doesn't, then I gotta go back and try again. There we go, the sander's on and the gate opens.